We're on the way to Hopkins Prarie. We're going to do some camping. We're not going to the actual campground itself. We were just headed out to the prairie on the lake, and we're going to do some just regular camping. Try not to hit campgrounds when I don't have to. I'm following Carlos out of NCRT 4x4, who is doing exactly the speed limit. And we're on our way out there. We did a little bit of wheeling first, hit some trails, hit some fun stuff, checked out some camp spots, and now we're going to meet up with a big group of people. It's supposed to be like 20 trucks out here. We're having a big like Overland party in the middle of the woods. So we're going to go meet them real quick, have dinner, and then peel off, find a quiet camp spot, and see if we can just relax a little bit tonight, chill, wake up, and then do a little bit more wheeling before heading home. Just a real quick out and back tonight, just to get out, because most of our trips have been getting messed up because of hurricanes since we've had 2 this month. So. Yeah, that's good lighting. Oh geez, Bacon Bay over here. Little did we know he's Italian. Look at this guy. That's tight work.
I pretended.
This is what it was eating. And then Chef Carlos showed up with this fancy smancy setup. They made breakfast. What's up, bud? There we go.
Good?
Yeah. No. Say hola. Or hello. One of the two. We are headed out of Hopkins Prarie. Had a real nice night of camping. Met up with Javi and some of the guys. I think we had like 16 trucks out there. Very nice meeting some new people. Good seeing some people that I already have met before. Really good group. Everyone was cooking out. Carlos made pizzas for us last night, which was pretty wild, in a legit propane pizza oven. Delicious. Overall, really good, fun little trip. We just went out for like a Friday night just to get out a little bit. I think after the storm and everyone had plans canceled this month, we all just kind of needed to get out for the night. So it is the first day of first day of hunting season. So we are getting out of here before they start kicking off. And yeah, until next weekend. We will see you guys on the trails. Stay safe.